State Council jongka Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya rangkat District Planning Officer Southwest Khasi District mentakasngi kalapenlong yaka 31st National Children Science Congress Arjar Arpulai kabadai jongka District Level Children Science Congress hapok ka hall jongka Office of Public Health Engineer Maukerwat Division yakani ka program lapenlong halor kapang pedeng Understanding Ecosystem for Health and Well-being. Mat ia gani ka program labi tengka da ka National Council for Science and Technology Communication, Department of Science and Technology, jong Sarkar India, bat ka Planning Department jong Sarkar Meghalaya. Ka jingtemu jong kani ka program ka long ban iron san ni kena school, bakin la kumno ban pen iya kisap ki jongki langba ki rukom ai jing pensyai halor ki ki bayadai bat kani ka juk bamenta. Bat khamtam ban batai ya ki rukom don kam kibaya day berkecingko jingkia ban langba kane kerensan kila ban penpau ru ya kejing slur jongki ban batai benia ya kejing syam bat kejing ya kendu jongki langba kejing keli hakani kesngi lai don lang dau Dr. D.R. Walang Program Officer State Council jongka Science, Technology and Environment kakong S. Karsano District School Education Officer Southwest Khasi District Wesley Roy Paryong Assistant Science Teacher jongka Paryong Presbytery Higher Secondary School, Baduba Rajesh Wanshong, Assistant Science Teachers, jongka St. Peter's Higher Secondary School Nongstoy, kumki evaluator rangkat kejengidon lang kinong hikai bat ki kena school. Hakani kesngi kidon South League School, malapia iki haar benta kata junior but senior category.
Your presence is greatly appreciated and your enthusiasm for today's program will be very much grateful to all of us. So I would like to talk a bit about the NCSE program. The NCSE program, this is actually the 31st time that the National Children's Science Congress has been held in India, and it is also the 31st time that the state of Meghalaya has been organizing this program through the Office of the State Council of Science, Technology and Environment. This program is basically a program that encourages scientific thinking and innovation, especially to the students. It is some kind of a platform for students where scientific ideas and where experiments are being encouraged to be conducted, and then to find solutions for real life problems rather than just theoretical teaching in the classroom. So basically, it's not just about textbooks and classrooms, it's more about the hands-on learning and curiosity and creativity. We need our students to come out from the classroom teaching and to know how to question things and to come up with solutions. So basically, NCSE gives us that platform where students can come and learn how to approach to local problems, and through these local problems they find local solutions. So I see here a number of schools that are participating. After the consultative training that the teachers have participated 3 months back in the month of May, and they have guided their students accordingly for 3 months, selected their research project and have done their experiments, and now they have already prepared their report, and now they have come to this platform to present the research projects. The research projects which are being presented today, depending on the evaluators, they will select few projects to represent the district in the state level, and if selected in the state level, they will present in the national level. So just those few words, I would like to actually first of all thank all the teachers, especially for guiding the students, and I wish all the students the very best for the program.
Because we schools have been participated today, along with your teachers, with the help of your teachers. I know that this is a good platform for you with regards to showcase your innovative thoughts that you have, along with the help and guidance from your own teacher. Because we know that we have to have some activities outside the classroom, like what Dr. Ahmed said. Some of the activities with regards to any thoughts and your innovative thoughts that you have. Because as children, sometimes you don't have the what to say, you cannot explore by yourself. So you need and you have to help to get the help from your elders, even from your parents, even from your teachers. So we were very thankful to the schools who have come here today for presenting your very own projects that you have been done in your schools. Maybe we will see and we will know from the evaluators that we have here which of the projects, because like what Dr. Wa'lan had said, that through this project we will be able to uh, to uh, to to prove that we have some local problems in our district, and maybe with your projects this will help the will be the solution to the local people in our district. So I hope that through this program that we have today, it will benefit not only to the students, because this is the what to say, it is really, it will be helpful for the younger generations, because now we are living in a, maybe will, like we might say that in the technology world. So we have to be very scientific in our thoughts. So I hope that through this program, with your projects that you will be presenting today, it will help you not only that it will end here, but through your projects, you will encourage other students as well, so that they will come out from their, maybe some of them, they are very shy. So when they saw that you are doing and standing here, they will also have the courage to do the same. So this will be an encouragement to that you will pass to all your other students, and I hope that through this program it will be helpful not only to you who are here but to other students in our district, so that they also will have the courage to come forward and show that they are also talented in bringing out their scientific thoughts in our district. So this, like we have heard, that this is the 31st National Children's Congress. We have had held these programs before every year. So I don't remember the time when we had the orientation program with all the schools that we have been selected to guide them on how to help our children in our district to come out with their thinking with regards to any scientific thoughts that they have. So here we have some of the schools have represented from the district this time at the district level. Only out of the 7 schools, only 4 have been able to come today to bring their projects, and 3 of them, they have some of them, because of they couldn't get the intimation in time, so it was difficult for them to